best drone are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best drone from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Number 1. DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo Ultralight Foldable Drone, 3-axis gimbal with 4K camera, 12MP photos, 31 mins flight time, Okusing 2.0 10 km HD video transmission, quick shots, gray. DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo Ultralight Foldable Drone, 3-axis gimbal with 4K camera, 12MP photos, 31 mins flight time, Okusing 2.0 10 km HD video transmission, quick shots, gray. DJI Mini 2 is beginner-friendly, powerful, and mini. Impressive performance, stunning image quality, and creative videos are just a few taps away. Explore an entirely new perspective, capturing the moments that make your life truly yours. Pack light, fly free. At less than 249 grams, it weighs about as much as an apple, and fits in the palm of your hand. Compact and convenient, this small drone is your ideal travel companion, transforming how you capture your favorite memories. Okusing 2.0 video transmission. Mini 2 supports up to 10 km of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving you the ability to fly farther and see clearer. Powerful performance. With a max battery life of 31 minutes, DJI Mini 2 grants more than enough time to compose the perfect shot. Mini 2 can resist level 5 winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable, even when flying along a windy coastline. Number 2. DJI Air 2's Fly More Combo Drone with 3-axis gimbal camera, 5.4K video, 1-inch CMOS sensor, 4 directions of obstacle sensing, 31 min flight time, max 7.5 mile video transmission, master shots, gray. The compact and foldable design of the DJI Air 2's Fly More Combo Drone lets you easily capture breathtaking aerial images and video whenever the mood strikes. It's an ideal alternative for use when traveling on vacation or for photography enthusiasts looking to record from new and unique perspectives. Piloting is made to be easy and intuitive via your smartphone and the DJI Fly app. Simply slip your phone into the included remote controller. Thanks to the Air 2's second 3-axis gimbal, 4 remote antennae, and Okusing 3.0 technology, you can receive a stable live view from the drone up to 7.5 miles away. You can fly freely with the Air 2s, or you can use master shots to automatically create content based on theme templates, focus track modes to track subjects in various ways, quick shot modes to perform automated flight maneuvers, or hyperlapse modes for time-lapse videos. Together, they can deliver pro-quality results while taking some of the complexities of aerial filming off of your shoulders. Results are made to look stunning thanks to the gimbal's 1 CMOS sensor and 22mm wide-angle lens that's capable of 20MP stills and up to 5.4K. Number 3. Holystone 2K GPS FPV-RC Drone HS100 with HD camera, live video and GPS return home, large quadcopter with adjustable wide-angle camera, follow me, altitude hold, 18 minutes flight, long control range. Yes, it is absolutely safe to buy Holystone 2K GPS FPV-RC Drone HS100 with HD camera, live video, and GPS return home, large quadcopter with adjustable wide-angle camera, follow me, altitude hold, 18 minutes, flight, long control range from DesertKurt, which is a 100% legitimate site operating in 164 countries. Since 2014, DesertKurt has been delivering a wide range of products to customers and fulfilling their desires. You will find several positive reviews by DesertKurt customers on portals like Trustpilot, etc. The website uses an HTTPS system to safeguard all customers and protect financial details and transactions done online. The company uses the latest upgraded technologies and software systems to ensure a fair and Number 4. DJI Mini SE Camera Drone with 3-axis gimbal, 2.7K camera, GPS, 30 min flight time, reduced weight, less than 0.55 pounds, 249 gram mini drone, improved scale, 5 wind resistance, gray. The compact yet powerful DJI Mini SE is the perfect creative companion, capturing your moments in a way that effortlessly elevates the ordinary. Together with the easy-to-use DJI Fly app, you'll enjoy a simplified flying experience and a perspective unlike any other. The reduced weight and improved wind resistance level offered by DJI Mini SE is an engineering feat that only enhances your overall experience. Features: Complex shots are easier than ever. Cinematic shots set are just a few taps away with DJI Mini SE's quick shot modes, which include Drone, Circle, Helix, and Rocket. Just select your quick shot and DJI Mini SE will execute an elaborate preset motion while recording. Smooth motion for cinematic footage. Slow down DJI Mini SE's flight speed and movements for an added layer of precision and stability. This mode is especially useful when flying in narrower, complex spaces. See what your Mini sees. The dedicated remote controller maintains an HD video feed at a distance of up to 4 kilometers. Detachable control sticks can be easily stored inside the remote controller for added portability. In the box, DJI Mini SE ×1 DJI remote controller ×1 intelligent flight battery ×1 pair of spare propellers ×1 micro USB cable ×1 communication cable USB-C ×1 gimbal protector ×1 RC cable micro USB connector ×1 RC cable USB-C connector ×1 RC cable lightning connector ×1 pair of spare control sticks ×1 spare screws ×6 screwdriver ×1 notes. 1. Aircraft takeoff weight includes the battery, propellers, and a micros card. Check all applicable rules and regulations before use and always fly safely near others. 2. Vision positioning requires non-reflective discernible surfaces and adequate lighting. Available at altitudes from 0.5 to 30 meters. The vertical and horizontal positioning accuracy is within plus or minus 0.1 meters. 3. The fly spots feature is currently only available in mainland China. All flight locations displayed by the Fly Spots feature are based on voluntarily shared location tags from Skypixel users. DJI never collects or shares user data without user consent. Number 5. DJI Mini 3 Pro, DJI RC, lightweight and foldable camera drone, with 4K 60 FPS video, 48 MP photo, 34 min flight time, tri-directional obstacle sensing, ideal for aerial photography and social media. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is the perfect drone for those who want to initiate themselves in this field, whether they want to do it professionally or as a hobbyist. Despite a significant price increase, it still represents an incredible deal because it includes functionality often seen only in much more expensive drones. The Mini 3 is capable of recording video at 4K 60 FPS, capturing footage in a new vertical mode, avoiding obstacles thanks to its new sensors, and delivering stunning 48 MP images with its. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below.